Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. We are going to show you 3 secret platforms which you can exploit right now, all for free today, and start making money. It is accepted worldwide and anybody can do it. And they pay you with PayPal, cryptocurrency, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, gift card, and many other added payment options. If you use one of these websites, you can only make $100 to $200, but if you use all of them together, your earnings will increase. Now, with that being said, let's get into the video. Now, the first website is a Chrome browser extension called UpVoice, and this Chrome browser extension is totally free on your Google Chrome browser. What this extension does is that it pays you the time you spend on the internet. I'm talking about the time you spent on YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. And you can do this with your mobile phone also. So right here on this page, if you scroll down, as you can see right here, once you sign up, they will invite you to install UpVoice for free. As you can see, it is safe and it won't impact your browsing performance at all. So all you need to do is to click on the sign up button and go through the process, which is very easy to do, guys. Again, you can download this on your phone. You can download this on your laptop. So take advantage of this right now, guys. You basically do nothing, just browse and visit your regular social media and websites as usual, as you normally do, and you will be earning money. The second website is actually a browser, just like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera Mini, and the rest. And again, you can do this on your phone and on your laptop or desktop. This is a normal browser like Google Chrome, except they will pay you for using their browser. So all you need to do is go to this website right now, brave.com. Click on the download button and download and install this to your computer system or your phone and start making money. As you can see right here that the browser is 3 times faster than Chrome and has a better privacy by default than Firefox. And it also uses 35% less battery on your mobile phone. Take advantage of this right now, guys. The third website is called QMe. So all you need to do is to download this app on your mobile device, either on the Apple Store or Play Store. Install the app and register and share your opinions and shop to earn real money. If you scroll down, we can see right here where it says earn cash by completing surveys anytime, anywhere. Share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. So guys, make sure you try this out and start making money right away. If you miss out on anything in this video, make sure you watch this video again. It is all free to watch. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new video when we post a new video. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.